Mukagali Makataev Street is located along the left coast of Yisili River in Nur-Sultan city. The street runs from Arkar Bridge to Narkisken Street, crosses Jaukazin, Balausa and Bosaha streets. Street length is 2,417 meters. Mukagali Makataev was Kazakh poet. The poet's full name, Muhammad Kali. Poet whose childhood was in the era of war, started writing poetry when he was 10-11 years old. His first poetries were published on pages of local regional newspaper. His first poetic collection went out when Mukagali was 33 years old. During 1964 and 1976, 8 poetic collections of the poet went out. During his work in literature, Makataev wrote over 1,000 poems. He became author of a number of lyric collections and poems. Poet translated in Kazakh the Shakespeare's sonnets and the Divine Comedy by Dante.